So we took the brake calipers off, like I said, and I'm gonna have them rebuilt. I'm gonna take them to a Corvette shop out in St. Pete tomorrow morning. I got the day off, so I'll take them to the Corvette shop. It's a old shop called Vet Brakes and Products, where they rebuild the brake calipers for you, or you can just exchange, or you can exchange the core. They give you like a little bit of money, and you can get new ones. Luckily I do have the stainless steel brake calipers, so they can be rebuilt. Because if you don't have the stainless steel ones, they cannot be rebuilt. So luckily, I got the stainless steel option. So we'll see if they can either rebuild them, or if they want to just take the core and switch them out for a new core or a rebuilt core. Either way, I'm gonna get the technical original parts for this car. So that's the story on the Stingray for now. The original Stingray, for those of you who are new to Corvettes. Like I said, original Stingray, 76 baby, the optional L82 engine. It wasn't much, you know, it wasn't that fast back then, but it's not about the speed with these older cars. It's about the way it makes you feel, the way it looks, and all about that nostalgia, baby. So we got a long ways to go with this restoration project, but it's coming along. It's coming along. And the best part about it is these cars are not so advanced to the point where you can work on it yourself. You know, I'm going to take the carburetor off tomorrow, have that rebuilt, all that good stuff, because it was leaking gas. So got it on jack stands currently. So got the bricks behind the tires, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And that's the story of that. I will give you guys an update when I actually take the brakes to the shop tomorrow. I'll take you guys along with me, so you can see the whole process every step of the way. And you guys stay tuned. It's gonna be very interesting. So rock with me. I'll holler at you.